Maintaining your awareness on your Bhrumadhya and the experience therein, we shall chant the mantra Om 3 times together, followed by the Shanti mantras. Inhale deeply. Together. ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ हरि ओम तत्सत्. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the purpose and objective of our gathering: to strengthen the mind, to boost the bodily systems, and to connect deeper with the aim and purpose of our very existence. And towards this effect, we shall begin with the chanting of the 3 mantras given to us by Pujya Gurudev Swami Satyananda Ji. Move ahead with the chanting of the Ramcharitmanas, and then culminate with the Navratri Aradhana. To begin, bring the image of Mrityunjay Mahadev, that form of Shiva who is the conqueror of disease, decay, darkness, and death. Install him at your Bhrumadhya. Offer pranam to him and take the sankalpa of health, harmony, happiness. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरि ओम तत्सत्. Next, Let us invoke Surya Narayana, the symbol of energy, vitality, and prana, the very essence of life. Install him at your Bhrumadhya, offer pranam to him, and take the sankalpa of increased creativity, improved capabilities, higher wisdom, and a better discrimination. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Gayatri mantra 11 times. I shall chant the first mantra. You will join in for the next 10 in the same rhythm, speed, and intonation. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम तत्सत् Next, let us invoke Ma Durga. She is Durgati Nashini. She is Kala Vinashini. She is Uma. She is Rama. She is Brahmani. She is Shakti manifest. Invite her and install her in your heart center. Offer pranam to her and take the sankalpa of removal of difficulties, distresses, hardships, and despairs, and to replace them with hope, enthusiasm, energy, focus, dedication, hard work, perseverance, and contentment. With this sankalpa, we shall chant the Durga Dvatrinshan Namamala 3 times altogether. ॐ दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापः दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमा लोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञानसंस्थाना दुर्गमध्यानभासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुरसंहन्त्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमाङ्गी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ॐ दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहन्त्री दुर्गमापः दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमा लोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञान संस्थाना दुर्गमध्यान भासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थ स्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुर संहंत्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ओम ओम दुर्गा दुर्गार्तिशमनी दुर्गा पद्विनिवारिणी दुर्गमच्छेदिनी दुर्गसाधिनी दुर्गनाशिनी दुर्गतोद्धारिणी दुर्गनिहंत्री दुर्गमापहा दुर्गमज्ञानदा दुर्गदैत्यलोकदवानला दुर्गमा दुर्गमा लोका दुर्गमात्मस्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गप्रदा दुर्गमविद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गमज्ञान संस्थान दुर्गमध्यान भासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमगा दुर्गमार्थ स्वरूपिणी दुर्गमासुर संहंत्री दुर्गमायुधधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गमेश्वरी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गभामा दुर्गभा दुर्गदारिणी ओम 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 keeping your eyes closed. Experience the manifestation of the sankalpas we have taken. Hari Om Tat Sat. Now, we will move ahead with the chanting of the Shri Ramcharitmanas. Today we shall chant from Ayodhya Kand after Doha 227, that is Doha 228 onwards till 232. To begin, bring the image of the Shri Rama Darbar, Prabhu Shri Ram, Devi Ma Janaki, Lakshman ji, Bharat ji, Shatrugna ji, and Pavan Putra Hanuman Dev. Bring them in your heart center. Give them the place of honor there so that they can be seated comfortably while listening to the Ramakatha. Next, invite and invoke Goswami Tulsidas Ji Maharaj so that he may bless us with the divine stories of the Lord. And before we begin, let us invite Hanumanji. For wherever there is Katha of Shri Ram, Hanumanji always comes. So let us invite him and give him a place of honor. राम कथा के रसिक तुम बुद्धिराशिवति धीर आइए सुआसन लीजिए तेज पुंज कपिवीर सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरिओम मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रव सो दशरथ अजिर विहारी सिया राम मय सब जग जानी करहु प्रणाम जोरि जुग पानी विषयी जीव पाई प्रभुताई मूढ़ मोह बस होहि जनाई भरतु नीति रत साधु सुजाना प्रभु पद प्रेम सकल जग जाना त्यों आज राम पद पाई, चले धर्म मर जाद मिटाई, कुटिल कुबंध कु अवसरु ताकी, जानी राम बनवास एकाकी, करि कुमंत्रु मन साजि समाजु, आए करई अकंटक राजु, कोटि प्रकार कलप कुटिलाई, आए दल बटोर दो भाई, जौ जिय होति न कपट कुचाली, हो के सुहाति रथ बाजी गजाली, भरत ही दो सुदेई को जाए, जग बौरा राजपद पाए, शशि गुरति अगामी नघुषु, चढ़े उभूमि सुरजान, लोक बेद ते विमुख भा, अधमन बेन समान, सहस बाहु सरनाथु त्रिशंकु, केहिन राज मद दीन कलंकु, भरत कीन यह उचित उपाउ, रिपुरिन रंचन राख बराउ, एक कीन नहीं भरत बलाई, निदरे राम जानी असहाई, समुझ परिहि सो आज विशेषी, समर सरोष राम मुख पेखी, इतना कहत नीति रस भूला, रन रस बिट पुलक मिस फूला, प्रभु पद बंदी शीस रज राखी, बोले सत्य सहज बल भाषी, अनुचित नाथ न मानव मोरा, भरत हमहि उपचार न थोरा, कहाँ लगी सही रही मनु मारे, नाथ साथ धनु हाथ हमारे, क्षत्रिय जाति रघुकुल जनमु, राम अनुग जगु जान, लाता हमारे चढ़त सिर, नीच को धूरि समान, उठि कर जोरी रजाय सुमागा, मनहु बीर रस सोवत जागा, बांधि जटा सिर कसी कटि बाथा, साजि सरासन सायकु हाथा, आज राम सेवक जसु लेऊं, भरत ही समर सिखावन देऊं, राम निरादर कर फल पाई, सोवहु समर सेज दो भाई, आई बना भल सकल समाजु, प्रगट करऊं रिस पाछिल आजु, जिमि करि निकर दलई मृग राजु, ले लपेटि लवा जिमि बाजु, तैसे ही भरत सेन समेता, सानुज निदर निपात उखेता, जौ सहाय कर शंकरु आई, तौ मारहु रन राम दुहाई, अति सरोष माखे लखनु, लखि सुनी सपथ प्रवान, सभय लोक सब लोकपति, चाहत भभरि भगान, जग भय मगन गगन भई बानी, लखन बाहु बल विपुल बखानी, तात प्रताप प्रभाउ तुम्हारा, को कहि सकहि को जान निहारा, अनुचित उचित काजु किछु होऊं, समुझ करिय भल कह सब को, सहसा करि पाछै पछिताहि, कहहि बेद बुध ते बुध नाही, सुनि सुर बचन लखन सकुचाने, राम सिंह सादर सन माने, कहीं तात तुम नीति सुहाई, सब ते कठिन राज मधु भाई, जो अचवत नृप मातहि तेई, नाहि न साधु सभा जेहि सेई, सुनहु लखन भल भरत सरीसा, विधि प्रपंच मह सुनान दीसा, भरत ही होहि न राज मधु, विधि हरिहर पद पाई, कबहु की काजी सी करनी, क्षीर सिंधु बिनसाई, तिमिरु तरन तर नहीं मकु गिलई, गगन मगन मकु मेघ ही मिलई, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, गोपद जल बूढ़ ही घट जोनी, सहज क्षमा बरु छाड़ई छोनी, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, मसक फूक मकु मेरु उड़ाई, हो ही न नृप मधु भरत ही भाई, जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम, लखन तुम्हार सपथ पितु आना, सुचि सुबंधु नहीं भरत समाना। जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। सगुन खीरु अवगुण जलु ताता, मिलइ रचई प्रपंच विधाता। जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। भरत हंस रविवंश तड़ागा, जनमी कीन गुण दोष विभागा। जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। गहि गुण पय तजि अवगुण बारी, निज जस जगत कीनि उजियारी। जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। कहत भरत गुणशील सुभाऊ, प्रेम पयोधि मगन रघुराऊ। जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम। सुनि रघुबर बानी विबुध, देखि भरत पर हेतु। सकल सराहत राम सो, प्रभु को कृपा निकेतु। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर, हरि ओम। बार बार बर मागहूँ, हर्ष देहु श्री रंग। पद सरोज अन पायनी, भगति सदा सतसंग। सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर, हरि ओम। श्री राम स्तुति। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु, भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम। नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर, कंज पद कंजारुणम। कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नव, नील नीरज सुंदरम। पटपीत मानहु तड़ित रुचि शुचि, नामि जनक सुतावरम। भजु दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव, दैत्य वंश निकंदनम। रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल, चंद दशरथ नंदनम। सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु, उदारु अंग विभूषणम। आजानुभुज शर चाप धर, संग्राम जित खर दूषणम। इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर, शेष मुनि मनरंजनम। मम हृदय कंज निवास कुरु, कामादिखल दल गंजनम। श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल, भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम। नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर, कंज पद कंजारुणम। श्री राम। Keeping your eyes closed for a few moments. Let us go deep, deep within. Bharatji is on way to meet Shri Ram, and he is convincing each and every one that no, it is Shri Ram who needs to come. He is the real heir to the throne. And everybody is completely influenced by his bhakti towards Shri Ram. But here Sri Ram's place. Ma Sita has seen what is going to come forth. She has got a hint of the bad news coming. Because mind you, these three have not heard the news of the departure of King Dasharath. That's still news for them. That is going to hit them. And simultaneously, information from the villagers, from the tribals come. He also sees the birds fluttering around. He sees, oh, there's a huge army coming. It is Bharat coming. Oh, he's coming with a big army. Oh my God, what's happening? Ramji is in a dilemma. He knows Bharat is coming for one reason and one reason alone. What to do? I have given vachan to my father and I can't say no to Bharat. I'm stuck. However, Lakshmanji, ever the practical one, gets very upset because the moment he hears that Bharat is coming with an army, he has jumped to a conclusion. Bharat is coming to defeat Sri Ram and ensure that Bharat remains the king not only for 14 years but beyond too. What ignominy! Just the thought that somebody can do something against Sri Ram throws Lakshmanji in a fit of rage. He starts expressing his thoughts to Ramji. Look, the world is not always so nice and so, utopian. The moment somebody sits on a throne, their minds change. Look at the history, replete with so many examples. No, 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 Bharat is doing some terrible thing. But mind you, he has made one mistake. He has considered that my lord Sri Ram is helpless and defenseless. Well, he has me to contend with. Even if Lord Shankar comes to his aid, I will destroy them all. And he being Shesha Bhagwan himself, his vachan has got great power and strength. The moment he flies into a rage and starts, you know, moving from Shantaras to Veeraras, the warrior in him is getting awakened. The entire creation is quaking in fear. They know the anger of Shesh Bhagwan. It can destroy the entire creation. Finally, Sri Ramji has to intervene. He sends a message. Please put the loudspeaker on and tell him, don't act in haste and repent in leisure. Just think a little bit. Lakshmanji gets the hint. He feels very uh, harassed. And then Sri Ramji speaks. He says, the world might change. The sun might come up from the west. The entire creation might get drowned in a small pond. A fly might blow the mountains off. All these absurd things might come true, but Bharat will never have Raj mother. Bharat is a different story altogether. I know him. So important learnings. We might have the best of intentions at heart, like Bharatji had. We might be fighting against all odds and progressing, but the path towards the Lord is full of tests and tribunals. Imagine, on Bharat's perspective, his own brother Lakshman ready to fight him, doubts him, forget others, even his own brother, so much so that he is ready to fight him, kill him off. That is what situation has come to. But if we want to move towards the Lord, then we must be prepared to face such trials too, not with anger, but with equanimity, with poise, grace, elegance, resolution. Also, look at Lakshmanji. Does he feel that he is threatened? No. Does he feel that he is being persecuted? No. There is no thought about himself. Lakshman, as an entity, has never thought about himself ever in his life. All he thinks is for Sri Ram. And just the thought that somebody might do something bad to Sri Ram is ready to throw him into fits of rage, ready to go against his own brother. He doesn't consider anybody of any importance but his master. That is another form of bhakti, complete selflessness. And because Lakshmanji is also extremely pure, that is why Sri Ram always is with him. And that is why Sri Ram has taken Lakshman with him. So it is essential for us to learn from these, not me, but you. But even if my bhakti is not me, but you, Ramji has shown and explained that is not alone sufficient. You have to be very careful. You have to observe things correctly. It might be that Bharat might have had a change of opinion. It might not be. But it is wrong to jump to that conclusion. And ahead we will see what Sri Ram says. So therefore it is not enough for us to have undying devotion towards the Lord, ready to sacrifice ourselves, etc., etc., etc. But at all times, we need to be very alert and aware. Both don't think about themselves. Bharat has no thought for himself, he has thought only for his Lord. Lakshman has no thought for himself, he has only thoughts for his Lord. That is the greatness of these four brothers. As the Katha concludes here for the day, Let us for a few moments adore the feet of these great vibhutis who have shown us the path. Let us bow to the feet of Bharat ji, Lakshman ji, Shatrugna ji, Prabhu Shri Ram, Maa Janaki. And as the katha comes to a close, the dignitaries will also now get ready and start making a move. Let us offer pranam to them, pay our respects and shraddha. कथा विसर्जन होता है सुनहु वीर हनुमान जो जन जहाँ से आई हों तहाँ तहाँ कर उपयान बाजा बाजत गृह गए भरद्वाज के द्वार सब देवता आश्रम गए शंभु गए कैलाश सियावर रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम. Let us offer pranam to these great souls, take their blessings so that we can move ahead into the third day of our Navratri Anushthan. Jagat Janani Ma Jagadamba. She is the cosmic creatrix. The entire creation comes forth from her. Ever compassionate, firm, loving, kind. Let us offer pranam to her and install her in our heart center. And we shall begin our Anushthan, reinforcing our Sankalpa we had taken on the first day. And we shall begin with the chanting of the verses of Saundarya Lahari. We shall begin with the Bija mantras, the Samput mantra, verse 25. Then from verse 23 to 33, the Samput mantra once again. And then the Prarthana, Namaste Namaste at the end. Those of you who are able to should sit in Vajrasan. Bring your hands in Avahaniya Mudra. Meditate on the form of Jagat Janani, Ma Tripura Sundari, Maha Samradni, Para Bhattarika, Saundarya Lahari. Let us meditate also on the form and the lotus feet of the composer Bhagavad Pad Bhagwan Bhashyakar Acharya Shankar. Let us take his blessings as we begin the chanting. meditate on our form as we chant the Bija mantras. Om Aim, Om Hrim, Om Shrim, Om Krim. त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा त्वया हृत्वा वामं वपुरपरितृप्तेन मनसा शरीरार्धं शम्भो अपरमपि शङ्के हृतमभूत् तथा हि त्वद्रूपं सकलमरुणाभं त्रिनयनम् कुचाभ्यामानम्रं कुटिलशशिचूडालमुकुटम् जगत्सुते धाता हरिरवतिरुद्रक्षपयते तिरस्कुर्वन्नेतत् स्वमपि वपुरीश स्थिरयति सदा पूर्वः सर्वं तदिदमनुगृह्णाति च शिव तवाज्ञामालम्ब्य क्षणचलितयोर्भ्रूलतिकयोः त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा विरिञ्चे पञ्चत्वं व्रजति हरिराप्नोति विरतिं विनाशं कीनाशो भजति धनतो याति निधनं वितन्द्रा माहेन्द्री विततिरपि सम्मीलति दृशा महासंहारेऽस्मिन् विहरति सति त्वत्पतिरसौ जपो जल्पशिल्पं सकलमपि मुद्रा विरचनं गतिप्रादक्षिण्यं भ्रमणमशनाद्याहुतिविधि प्रणामः संवेश सुखमखिलमात्मार्पणदृशा सपर्यापर्यायस्तव भवतु यन्मे विलसितम् ददाने दीनेभ्यः श्रियमनिशमाशानुसदृशीम् अमन्दं सौन्दर्य प्रकरमकरन्दं विकिरति तवास्मिन् मन्दारस्तबकसुभगे यातु चरणे निमज्जन्मज्जीव करणचरणैः षट्चरणताम् सुधामप्यास्वाद्य प्रतिभयजरामृत्युहरिणीम् विपद्यन्ते विश्वे विधिशतमखाद्यादिविशद करालं यच्छ्वेलं कबलितवतः कालकलना न शम्भोस्तन्मूलं जननि तव ताटङ्कमहिमा किरीटं वैरिञ्चं परिहरपुरकैटभभिद कठोरे कोटीरे स्खलसि जहि जम्भारिमकुटम् प्रणम्रेष्वेतेषु प्रसभमुपयातस्य भुवनम् भवस्याभ्युत्थाने तव परिजनोक्तिर्विजयते चतुष्षष्ट्या तन्त्रैः सकलमभिसन्धाय भुवनम् स्थितत्तत्तत्सिद्धि प्रसव परतन्त्रैः पशुपति पुनस्त्वन्निर्बन्धादखिल पुरुषार्थैकघटना स्वतन्त्रं ते तन्त्रं क्षितितलमवातीतरदिदम् शिवशक्ति काम क्षितिरतरविशीतकिरण स्मरो हंसशक्रस्तदनु च परामारहरय अमीरुल्लेखाभिस्तिसृभिरवसानेषु घटिता भजन्ते वर्णास्ते तव जननि नामावयवताम् स्मरं योनिं लक्ष्मीं त्रितयमिदमाद्ये तव मनो निधायैके नित्ये निरवधि महाभोगरसिका जपन्ति त्वां चिन्ता मणिगुणनिबद्धाक्षवलया शिवाग्नौ जुह्वन्तः सुरविघृतधाराहुतिशतैः त्रयाणां देवानां त्रिगुणजनितानामपि शिवे भवेत् पूजा पूजा तव चरणयोर्या विरचिता तथा हि त्वत्पादोद्वहनमणिपीठस्य निकटे स्थिता ये ते शश्वन् मुकुलितकरोत्तं समुकुटा नमस्ते नमस्ते विभो विश्वमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते चिदानन्दमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते तपोयोगगम्य नमस्ते नमस्ते श्रुतिज्ञानगम्य Keep your eyes closed for a few moments. Hari Om Tat Sat. Now we will move ahead with the Deving chants connecting us and deepening our connection with Ma. Siddha Kunjika Stotram. शिव उवाच शृणु देवि प्रवक्ष्यामि कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रमुत्तमम् येन मन्त्रप्रभावेण चण्डी जापशुभो भवेत् न कवचं नार्गला स्तोत्रम् कीलकं न रहस्यकम् न सूक्तं नापि ध्यानं च न न्यासो न च वार्चनम् अतिगुह्यतरं देवी देवानामपि दुर्लभम् गोपनीयं प्रयत्नेन स्वायोनिरिव पार्वती मारणं मोहनं वश्यं स्तम्भनोच्चाटनादिकं पाठमात्रेण संसिद्ध्येत् कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रमुत्तमम् ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ग्लौं हुं क्लीं जूं सः ज्वालय ज्वालय ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ज्वल हौं सं लं क्षं फट् स्वाहा ॐ नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिण्यै नमस्ते मधुमर्दिनि नमः कैटभहारिण्यै नमस्ते महिषार्दिनि नमस्ते शुम्भहन्त्रै च निशुम्भासुरघातिनि जाग्रतं हि महादेवी जपं सिद्धं कुरुष्व मे ऐङ्कारी सृष्टिरूपायै ह्रीङ्कारी प्रतिपालिका क्लीङ्कारी कामरूपिण्यै बीजरूपे नमोऽस्तु ते चामुण्डा चण्डघाती च यैकारी वरदायनी विच्चेचाभयदा नित्यं नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी धाम धीं धूम धूर्जटे पत्नीं वां वीं वुं वागधीश्वरी क्रां क्रीं क्रूं कालिका देवी शां शीं शूं मे शुभं कुरु हुं हुं हुंकाररूपिण्यै जं 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 जम्भनादिनी भ्रां भ्रीं भ्रूं भैरवी भद्रे भवान्यै ते नमो नमः अं कं चं टं पं पं यं शं वीं दुं ऐं वीं हं क्षं धिजाग्रं धिजाग्रं त्रोटय त्रोटय दीप्तं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा पां पीं पुं पार्वती पूर्णा खां खीं खुं खेचरी तथा सां सीं सूं सप्तशती देव्या मन्त्रसिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे इदं तु कुञ्जिका स्तोत्रम् मंत्र जागर्ति हेतवे अभक्ते नैव दातव्यं गोपितं रक्ष पार्वती यस्तु कुञ्जिकया देवी हीनां सप्तशतीं पठेत् न तस्य जायते सिद्धिर् अरण्ये रोदनं यथा ॐ इति श्री रुद्रयामले गौरी तंत्रे शिव पार्वती संवादे सिद्ध कुंजिका स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम्. Gently keep your eyes closed and meditate on the form of Ma, the Trigunatmika form, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Swarupini Ma. Meditate on her form as I chant their Dhyana mantra, Mahakali. ॐ खड्गं चक्रगदेषु चापपरिघां शूलं भुशुण्डीं शिरः शङ्खं सन्दधतीं करैस्त्रिनयनां सर्वाङ्गभूषावृतां नीलाश्मद्युतिमास्य पाददशकां सेवे महाकालिकां यामस्तौच्छयिते हरौ कमलजो हन्तुं मधुं कैटभम्. ॐ श्री महालक्ष्मी ध्यानम्. ॐ अक्षस्रक्परशु गदेषु कुलिशं पद्मं धनुः कुण्डिकां दण्डं शक्तिमसीं च चर्म जलजं घण्टां सुराभाजनम् शूलं पाशसुदर्शने च दधतीं हस्तैः प्रवालप्रभां सेवे सैरिभमार्दिनीमिह महा लक्ष्मीं सुरौजो भवाम्. ॐ महासरस्वती ध्यानम्. ॐ घण्टाशूलहलानि शङ्खमुसले चक्रं धनुस्सायकम् हस्ताब्जैर्दधतीं घनान्तविलसत् शीतांशुतुल्यप्रभाम् गौरी देहसमुद्भवां त्रिजगताम् आधारभूतां महा पूर्वामत्र सरस्वतीमनुभजे शुम्भादिदैत्यार्दिनीम्. ॐ श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः. ॐ लं पृथिव्यात्मकं गन्धं हरिद्रा कुङ्कुमं च कल्पयामि. श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः. ॐ हम आकाशात्मकं पुष्पं कल्पयामि. श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः। ॐ यं वायव्यात्मकं धूपं कल्पयामि। श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः। ॐ रं अग्न्यात्मकं दीपं कल्पयामि। श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः। ॐ वं अमृतात्मकम् अमृतमय महानैवेद्यं कल्पयामि। ॐ श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वतीभ्यो नमः। ॐ सं सर्वात्मकं सर्वोपचार पूजां संकल्पयामि नमः। Having meditated on the form of Ma, we shall now chant the representative of the Durga Saptashati with the Saptashloki Durga. 7 verses from the entire Durga Saptashati are chosen to represent the entire Durga Saptashati, and we shall be chanting that. Shiva Uvacha Devi Tvam Bhakta Sulabhe Sarvakarya Vidhayini Kalau hi karya siddhyartham upayam bruhi yatnataha Devyuvacha Shrunu Deva Pravakshyami Kalau sarveshta sadhanam Maya tavaiva snehena Apyam vastuti prakashyate. Om अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी स्तोत्र महामन्त्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः अनुष्ठुपादि छन्दांसि श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वत्यो देवताः श्री दुर्गा प्रीत्यर्थं सप्तश्लोकी दुर्गा पाठे विनियोगः। ओम ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तो स्वस्ति स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि। दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणि का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं शरणागत दीनार्त परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा हृष्टा तु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं सर्वबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम्। ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं ॐ दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी संपूर्णा। Keep your eyes closed. She is Ma, the destroyer of demons. When nothing works, it is she who supports. And let us connect to her with the innocence of a child. I am what I am. Yet still, I am yours. A child, an innocent baby, does not have any separation between itself and the mother. He expresses oneself completely. With the world is a different story, but with Ma, you have to be like a child. Open yourself completely to her. Surrender to her. And as we connect to her, our hearts sing out her glory, her majesty, her Divya Swarupa. And let us sing her glory with the Tantroktam Devi Suktam. नमो देव्यै महादेव्यै शिवायै सततं नमः नमः प्रकृत्यै भद्रायै नियता प्रणता स्मताम् रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नायै चेन्दुरूपिण्यै सुखायै सततं नमः कल्याण्यै प्रणतां वृद्ध्यै सिद्ध्यै कुर्मो नमो नमः नैऋत्यै भूभृतां लक्ष्म्यै शर्वाण्यै ते नमो नमः दुर्गायै दुर्गपारायै सारायै सर्वकारिण्यै ख्यात्यै तथैव कृष्णायै धूम्रायै सततं नमः अतिसौम्यातिरौद्रायै नतस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठायै दिव्यै कृत्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतनेत्यभिधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्त्यै देव्यै नमो नमः। चितिरूपेण या कृत्स्नम् एतद्व्याप्य स्थितां जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रया तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदः। या साम्प्रतं चोद्धतदैत्यतापितैः अस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः। जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे शिव दुर्गे अम्बे मात की जय। अटल छत्र की जय, साके दरबार की जय। जंगल में मंगल करने वाली मैया की जय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। For a moment, keep your eyes closed, immersing yourself in the vibrations generated, dedicated to Ma. For some time, mentally chant the mantra Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundayai Vichye. I shall chant it softly. You should chant it mentally. Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundayai Vichye. 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 As the mantra reverberates within, become aware it brings out the form of Ma. At present, we are meditating on the Mahakali form of Ma. We are overwhelmed by the negativities. They attack us in form of the Rakshasas, just like Brahmaji was attacked by Madhu and Kaitaba. And we invoke help. Nobody comes. Finally, we call out to Ma. Vishnu, the protector, is lying, apparently unconscious. We request Ma to please awaken him, free him from the tamasic nidra. Vishnu awakens and fights, and fights, and fights, and fights. Imagine the divinity within us is trying to neutralize the negativities thrown to us, coming up within us. And as one is hit, the other puts up its head. And this goes on and on. There's no end in sight. What to do? Even Bhagwan Vishnu is helpless. He doesn't know how to defeat these demons. We have tried all that we know, but it's not working. And then Bhagwan Vishnu calls out for Ma, please do something. Devi smiles and says, okay. She projects the Maya aspect, beguiles the mind of the Danavas. Bhagwan Vishnu, not one to miss a trick, quickly catches on. And he stops the fight and says, wow, what great warriors you are. I am pleased with you. I have never seen such warriors. Oh, what excellent timing. What excellent archery. What excellent movements. Oh, I am really pleased with you. Ask me a boon. And the Danavas say, huh, you will give us a boon. You are being defeated. You are on the losing side. If at all we will give you a boon, you ask us a boon. You have nothing to give a boon. We are the ones who are winning. We can give you the boon. So Bhagwan Vishnu says, okay. So if you want to give me a boon, please give me a boon that you will be killed by my hands. Oops. The Rakshasas so powerful, but they came into the trap. Ahankar. But what to do? They have said, we will give you whatever you desire. So they had to give this boon. Now they try to find a face saving way out, some loophole by which they can save themselves. Doesn't seem to be any. So then they say, okay, you can kill us, but not on the ground, not in the air. Vishnu says, okay, done. And then he expands his thigh so much that it can keep entire peoples there. And he says, place your neck over here and I will cut you. They have no choice now. And thus the demons are defeated, not just by force, but by guile. And their minds were clouded by the tamasic force of Maya. Devi projected Maya and confused their minds. And in that state, they did not pick up the trap which was set. It is thus that Devi works in many ways, sometimes direct, sometimes indirect. And it is thus that the demons can be killed. For a few moments, meditate on this Mahakali aspect of Devi, who has destroyed the Asuras Madhu and Kaitaba through Mahavishnu. And let us pray to her that the various negativities that dog us may also be kindly destroyed in the same manner, that she grant us strength to overcome these. Place them one by one in front of her. Offer pranam to Ma, receive her blessings, experience the demolition of the demons within the Tamasikta. Feel her grace surrounding us like a kavacham, protecting us, defeating the demons, the negativities, and allowing the positivity to surface, blossom. and maintaining your awareness on this, we shall conclude with Om chanting and Shanti Path. Inhale deeply. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Hands in pranam mudra. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Harihi Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. Gently rub your palms against each other. Place them on the closed eyes. Experience the warmth radiating from your palms to your eyes, to your brain, to the whole body. And then gently move the palms away. Open your eyes. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namo Narayan. Jai Ho.
नमो नारायण स्वामी जी. नमो नारायण स्वामी
So, this is how the journey continues step by step. And we are still in the tamas aspect. Look at the different manifestations of tamas. Tamas need not always be necessarily negative. Even sleep is a form of tamas. But if you don't sleep, your health will be lost. Your functioning will be lost. So, today, let us try and ponder over the different aspects of tamas. Tamas is resistance to change. If there is no shape, no form, no size, everything is wishy-washy, spacey, then our existence is at stake. We don't have an existence too. Even that is essential. That is also a tamasic form. So, today, try and observe, try and understand the different manifestations of tamas and how it can be negative and how it can be positive. How we can convert one aspect to be a beneficial aspect. Let that be our assignment today. As we disperse and continue our journey of self-exploration through the darkness of the night. We'll meet tomorrow again, 5:45 a.m. India time. Namo Narayan.
Namo Narayan, Swamiji. Swamiji, it appears that even demons were having some sort of ethical value. No?
Yes. Yes. Very
So
nice.
even they found that they have been trapped, they follow the ethical value.
Yes. I will tell you a story which was told to me about an underworld don in Mumbai. I think his name was Arun Gowri.
अरुण गवली.
हाँ,
अरुण गवली.
अरुण गवली. तो उसके बारे में बतलाते हैं कि if any of his men was shot and was killed on the 1st of the month, a packet would be sent to the wife and children of that person. No questions asked, no exceptions. So there is also honor amongst thieves and amongst criminals. And actually, if you look at it, in their zone also, there's a lot of honor. We need to find out that part. The honor and the ethics followed by them is different than what is generally followed by us. And our worlds are different, but they also follow it. And sometimes they follow it even more. So everyone has something positive, and we need to pick that up. And in this situation, we need that to use that to get rid of that negativity. But in us, within us, we are thinking outside, but we have to learn to think inside. And that is why I have said that every aspect of tamas has a negative connotation and a positive connotation. We have to try and think how we can convert the negative into positive. That is important. The moment we turn negative into positive, दुश्मन रहता ही नहीं है. दुश्मन तो दोस्त में बदल जाता है. उसका उपयोग होना शुरू हो जाता है. It becomes a springboard to rise higher. That is what we have to think over today and tomorrow.
Thank you.
So we will meet tomorrow at 5:45 a.m.
Okay. Namo Narayan, Swami.
Namo Narayan.